The Figment Disney ride in Epcot is not to be missed. Whether you're a fan of the original ride or visiting Disney for the first time, I have some tips for you, including who you can see right across the street after you're done with this Epcot ride. Let's do it. Hey there, you're listening to Jenna Loves Magic, where we chat things like tips for planning Disney World trips, including what to do and food to eat. If that sounds good to you, subscribe for more Disney vacation tips. Now let's get to it. All right, so there is a lightning lane for the Journey into Imagination with Figment Ride. It's a beautiful building right in Epcot, and now we're gonna take you on the ride. Join us. Yeah, let's go.
Hello. On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound.
What? Interfere!
But you've got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination. With just a spark of inspiration.
Upside down! Come on.
After the ride, you can head over to this section where you can get out some energy before going back outside. And when you are back outside, try to get there at a time when you can see Winnie the Pooh.
Putting sunscreen on him.
That's smart. I have another video at Jenna Loves Magic for you to check out for this Winnie the Pooh experience that's right outside the Figment ride in Epcot. We were so lucky to stumble upon this, and it's great for photo ops, and Pooh Bear is so interactive. Definitely don't miss this when you go to Figment Ride. Check out more videos and posts from Jenna Loves Magic if you are planning your Walt Disney World trip and want some tips and tricks. And if you're a foodie, make sure to visit me on my food channel, Sip Bite Go, because there you can get my recipe for smoked turkey legs that are basically a Disney copycat recipe. I'll teach you how to smoke them, how to bake them in the oven, or how to air fry turkey legs just like you'd get at Disney. That's all for you foodies there. Well, until next time, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you here next time, friend. Cheers!